How to use the offset panel in Silhouette Studio. Step 1. You'll find the offset panel on the right toolbar. It looks like a star with an outline. Step 2. You can find the offset in the quick access toolbar when a shape is selected. Step 3. If you can't find the offset panel, go to Panels in the top taskbar and select Offset. Step 4. When you select Offset, you have two options: Offset and Internal Offset. Step 5. When you select your shape or text and click Offset, an outer border will be created automatically. Step 6. You have two options to customize the offset before applying distance and corner. Step 7. Increasing the distance will make the outline grow farther from the original image or text. Step 8. Decreasing the distance will bring the outline closer to the original image or text. Step 9. You can either square off or round off the corners. Step 10. Once you click Apply, you can use the offset layer as a border or cut it separately. Step 11. When you select Internal Offset, it'll create a line inside the image or text you've selected. Step 12. Use the distance to bring the line closer or farther away from the original line. Step 13. You'll also be presented again with the same corner option, sharp and round. Step 14. Click Apply when you're happy with the offset. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.